Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a smoky eye. It's an inspired look and it is something that I haven't tried in a while. I don't think I've ever tried it before. But I'll be showing you how to achieve this smoky eye. It's perfect for date nights. It's perfect for the club as well. I'm gonna show you a picture of the look that I'm gonna try and recreate. One it's by Yarms and the other one is by Jessica Rose. I'm gonna post a picture somewhere around here and then I'm gonna try to recreate that. But before we get into that, can you please subscribe, like, and comment in any of my YouTube videos? I would appreciate more followers in my channel. And now before I go on with the video, I forgot to mention that I'll also be reviewing this foundation from Avon. It is the Real Matte Liquid Foundation and it claimed to say that it gives you full coverage, so I'm hoping that it gives me proper coverage, and it's also waterproof, so I hope that it does the works. So I'm gonna go on and start with one eyebrow. I'm gonna do one eyebrow on camera and the other one off camera. And here we go. Go in with my Elegant Pro Conceal to conceal my eyebrows. Just put some in my hand. I'm gonna use a flat brush and compact mirror. With this Avon eye concealer, my favorite. The same flat brush that I use for my eyebrows. So for this smoky eye, I'm going to be using this eyeliner. It's black. Now the reason I'm going to be using this is because black eyeshadow is not always that pigmented, and then you really have to pack it on, so this helps quite a lot and it's a really nice trick to use if you want your black to actually pop out. Now if you don't have this, I saw someone use mascara. It was crazy. I've tried the mascara method before, but it was a bit too, it makes the eyelids sticky. I'm not going to try the mascara method. I'm going to try the, this is what it looks like inside, and then this is like 10 rand, 15 rand in town, so I hope it works. I haven't tried this method before. I'm just gonna go in with the concealer brush. Ooh, it's actually very creamy. take this black color, right? I'm gonna use this brush here just to make the this creamy texture more powdery. And then I'm gonna blend it up. I don't know if I'm doing it right though. Now to make it really pop, I saw that they added a light shade of brown on top just to draw it in. Okay, I'm going to be using my Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking, I think I'll be taking this light brown color over here between these two. I don't know. So where's my brush? I think I'll go with this one. Tricky because it either makes or breaks the look. So I'm gonna do it exactly how I saw it in the video. I'm gonna be adding this shimmery gold color. Now a tassel are those golden dots that you see right here. At least that's what I hear them call it. Just gonna go in there. Now I'm going in with my favorite mascara from Avon. This method, I'm seeing that it's cracking. So my mistake is that I should have put a bit of powder on top of the concealer. Noted. Just finish off with mascara. I seriously need to get myself a tripod because if you could see the situation right, if you could see the situation right now, it is not looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my face and I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Baby Skin pore eraser. Guys, my skin is really bad. I'm gonna prime my face. A little goes a long way. Okay, let's get a bit more there. An even skin tone and pimples and my big and now we're gonna put the foundation to the test. Okay, so it looks like that, and I'm going in with the shade Caramel. I hope it's the right shade. Okay, I'm gonna pour some in my hand. Well, let's just take a bit. I'm gonna go in with this flat foundation brush. I got this brush like 2 years ago. It clicks. So, okay, here goes. It does look a bit yellow now, does it? Doesn't it? I use the brush to just lay out and spread the foundation, and then I use a beauty blender with a, this is just some town bought setting spray. I just wet my sponge like that, and then I start blending. Mirror. So I'm going to blend half my face. Okay, I am I am loving this foundation. Coverage is on point, and yeah, wow. I have this mark here, right? I don't know if it's too visible or not, but it's there. I've got this mark. It's an uneven skin tone mark or whatever, right? And it's covered, and the matte is nice, and I really like it. The matte texture is really smooth. It's really nice, and it blended out really fine. I think this is my skin color. I should have taken a before picture, but it looks really really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes off camera, because the foundation is matte. I don't think I'm gonna go in with a powder, right? So I'm gonna go in with highlighter now. I'm still using this foundation, but this round brush. I don't have, I ordered new brushes, guys, and they haven't arrived yet. So ooh, that is some serious glow. Girl, shoot. And now I'm gonna go in with a highlighter. Smile. Now we're gonna go in with the lips. You know what? How I always do. I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip liner. And I've decided to do a very light lip. Okay, the highlight is a bit too strong. I've decided to do a very light lip, so I'm gonna go again with Avon, and the color is in. Okay, that's a bit blurry. Angelic Rose, because I don't believe much in a bold eye and a bold lip. It just becomes too messy. So I don't know if this is going to work, but it's almost like a powdery pink. I think I'm going to add gloss on it. I'm going to be using this Jessica brand lip therapy gloss. Came out pretty alright. It came out pretty alright. So guys, this is the final look. I'm just gonna lay my edges. There, okay. So this is the final look, guys. Ooh, setting spray. This is the final look. Guys, I recently reached 100 subscribers, and I'd like to thank each and every one of you that subscribed. If you're new, please click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment and interact with me in the comment section, like my work, and also, if you can, please share it with your friends. This is the final look, and I hope everybody likes this and you get to try it out yourself. Thank you.